know this song, Jingle Bells. So it's just that you'll hear there's an underlying drum solo, underlying beats underneath. So the whole idea of this exercise is just for you to just try moving body parts that you can control, or for some of you, never knew existed. It's okay, we will all learn to, we'll just figure it out together. And it's okay if you mess it up. It's alright, I want you all to just have fun with it, okay? So, we'll just go through a few things about shimmy, and the purpose of the ShimmyFitz actually is I want it to be like a dance thing, but it's also a form of workout. Trust me, when I dance ShimmyFitz at home, right, I'm more tired than dancing that thing. I sweat like crazy. So, let's talk a little bit about the shimmy movement first. So the shimmy movement, this is what they call the Egyptian shimmy, or the leg shimmy. How you do the leg shimmy is you move your knees, like you bend one and straighten one. Bend one, straighten one. But very important that you don't ever lock your knees. That means you don't do this. Very, very, very bad for your knees. So you need to keep them relaxed. Just that you move one forward, one back. One after the other, not both together, that's weird. One after the other. And of course, the faster you go, the faster the shimmy goes. Right? So, how fast you can go depends on how much you have practiced. This is not something that comes naturally to people. You ask people to do it for the first time, nobody will ever be able to do it very quickly. So it's something that we practice. So this one is quite unique. Movements come from the knees. The whole body will shake. You try it and see, huh? It moves, right? You feel the whole body shake. You feel, if you have any fat here, jiggly, I can feel it. So I like this kind of shimmy because for me, right, sometimes if I'm in a very cold room, I'll actually shimmy like this to keep warm. Or if you want a fast way, you know what, you can't go anywhere and you just want a very quick on-the-spot workout, shimmy yourself. Because actually, right, when you do it correctly, it shakes the whole body up to here. Yeah. So you actually try and see you shake, huh? Like this, you can feel here jiggling, jiggling. Eventually here, jiggle, jiggle also. Okay, so that's called the leg shimmy. Now, the term shimmy just means shake. You shake very, very fast. So you have other body parts you can shake as well. So another one you can shake shoulders.
How do you shake shoulders?
So how to do this? Shake the shoulders. You just go one forward, one back. So one forward, one back. But when you do this, try not to move your hips. Otherwise, you'll be like this. Don't move your hips. So this is the one I always tell the ladies in the class, right? Where can you practice doing this? Traffic jams. Why? Because you can't go anywhere. So when you're stuck, traffic jam, clear off. No, your hips won't move. So that's the shoulder shimmy. Shoulder shimmy is a beginner version. So some people can't do fast either. So if you're a beginner, you'll probably go quite slow. Then you try to go faster. The advanced version is chest shimmy. Usually the ladies have the advantage in this one. Because you can feel something shaking. The guys probably try but don't know what's shaking. So the chest shimmy is the shake this part. Sorry, not the word for it. Yes, chest shimmy. But some guys can do really well. I see some guys, nothing to shake, but they still do very well. There's also the hip shimmy. So the hip shimmy is different from the leg shimmy because you move the hips instead. So hips, you got two options. You can shake up and down. I can go forward and back. But personally, I don't like the forward and back because I feel very awkward. So I can't move very fast and aggressive this way because there's too much energy. So I like the up and down motion. That means like this. So it feels very similar to the leg shimmy because the movements are the same. The difference is where the energy comes from. So the leg shimmy starts with the knees. The hip actually doesn't move very much. If you watch my hips, right? The leg shimmy, the hips will shake, but they're not going up and down. If I do the hip shimmy, it's like the hips are going up and down. So the idea here is for you to learn the different parts of your body that can shake. How fast you can shake depends on you. How fast you want to shake depends on you. The faster you shake, the more calories you burn. Another shimmy, body part everyone can do, is a hand shimmy. Yeah, this one anyone can do. But sorry, this workshop, we're not doing hand shimmy. So, but if you're very tired and halfway you don't want to shimmy anymore, then you shake your hands. Then when everyone can shake everything else, you just shake your hands. I'm shimmying, teacher, I'm shimmying. Okay, see? Okay, this is your alternative. Alright, so Merry Christmas. It's a Jingle Bells. So we've got we will start off with the shoulders. Right? I think tell you what, we'll go straight to music. So then you hear I'll say okay, do shoulders, do hips, do legs. Okay? Yes, please. I think it's the front. Okay, I'll face you all because you just mirror me.